Whisper. Whisper. Good job.
What's up, Mr. Cool?
What are you doing?
If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
Rocco, go lay down.
No.
It just wasn't getting through to her that everything that was going down for a reason.
Yeah, I'm talking about your pissy ass.
Luke, go shut the door. All the way.
Put you up for sale. Yes, I am.
Say, I love you.
I'm a happy boy. I'm a happy boy.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Low bite.
Can you say, I love you?
Hi. Can I touch you? Oh, okay.
Lorna.
I love you. This is my life. I love you.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man. No!